Yeah, Sagar, tell me about yourself and what you have experienced in previous organization and what you worked on previously. So tell me about your experience.
Yeah, sure. Hi, thanks for giving me this opportunity to talk about myself and my previous experience. I am Sagar. I actually completed my Bachelor of Engineering from SJB Institute of Technology in the branch of Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2019. And later on, I did a course on software testing from QSpiders, and I started my career in the software industry as a software engineer with QSGs from November 2021 as in the role of testing, and I am primarily focused in testing the web applications. And I have a total experience of 3 years and 2 months, and I work in the domain of knowledge management system, and I my daily roles and responsibilities include in the test preparation and planning. I create and update the test cases and also review them, and I also prepare the test data as per the product requirement, and I also provide suggestions for the test plan. And once after the feature is ready from the developer for testing, I execute the manual and automated tests, making sure that all the areas are covered, and monitor for issues. And if I find any issue, I track them and, document and track them using the defect management tool, that is JIRA, used in our organization. uh, and I collaborate with the developers to resolve them. And when it comes to the collaboration with the team, so I mainly work with agile teams, mainly Scrum, and I attend the daily stand-up meetings every day. So where I tell about what I have worked on the previous day, and what I'll be working on the particular day, and if there are any obstacles or blockers, so I try to get them resolved by communicating with the team. And I also attend the other Scrum ceremonies like backlog refinement meeting, sprint planning, sprint review, and sprint retrospect meetings. So these all the Scrum ceremonies happen during the sprint. So we have a 2 week sprint cycle, and we have a release cycle of 5 sprints. So our release goes on for 2.5 months. And when it comes to the uh, reporting and documentation of the test result, I provide the test results uh, once after the execution of the test is completed, and also provide the QA statuses and report it to the QA lead, ensuring that I clearly communicate the product quality. And also I'm involved in the continuous improvement. That is, I try to review and improve the automation scripts, and also provide suggestions to improve the test processes, to improve the efficiency of the testing. So totally, I can tell that implementing quality through testing, effective communication, and continuous improvement. And when it comes to the manual testing, I have performed various kinds of testing, such as functionality testing, integration testing, end-to-end testing, regression testing, and also I have performed API testing. And as part of API testing, I have tested the existing and the newly developed APIs by the developers. And also I actually test the APIs by comparing the status code and the response content that has been returned by the API request, and comparing it with the existing ones, expected ones. Coming to automation testing, so as part of automation testing, I have modified the existing scripts, automation scripts, and also I have been involved in the development of acceptance and regression suite on the front end, I mean the UI of the application. This has considerably reduced the manual testing time and also the manual testing effort. So this is one of the achievements from the automation what we have done. So this is a short introduction about myself.
Okay, okay, okay. Thanks for introduction, Sagar. It's a good. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
now first time I'm starting with Java. Okay, so
Okay.
you did using Java, Selenium, and TestNG, Cucumber, and REST API. You did right. So I can now I'm going to start with the Java basic question. Okay, so I move further next level of the question. Okay, so can you tell me where you used OOPS concept in your project?
Okay. Uh, in the framework, what we have used, uh, so the four OOPS concepts are mainly encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. When it comes to the encapsulation, so in our framework, for when running the automation scripts, we store the data in one of the config file. So it is a XML file where we store it out of the framework. I mean, the data will not be stored inside the automation scripts. So thereby we are maintaining the like security of the data. So like this is how we have implemented the encapsulation in our framework. And when it comes to inheritance, uh, so inheritance is mainly acquiring the behaviors and states of one object to another object. So in our framework, so all the test cases and the page classes uh, are inherited from one base class for base for page classes. The page classes extends to the base page class, wherein many of the common methods are inherited by the base page class. I mean the page classes which are developed based on the particular test cases. This is how inheritance is implemented in our project. And when it comes to
One thing,
polymer,
one thing,
yeah.
multiple inheritance supported by Java or not?
Sorry, can you please repeat the question?
Multiple inheritance in
Uh-huh.
a different type of a single, multiple, multi-level, hybrid inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, right? So multiple inheritance supported by Java or not?
Multiple inheritance is not supported by Java.
Okay, okay. Can you go further?
Yeah, okay. So when it comes to polymorphism, polymorphism is the like when one member of a class shows many forms, so that is called as polymorphism. So we have a method called as save, so which is present in the main web page in our application. So and this save method is present in the base page class. And whenever for the particular test case when automating, so we create a separate page class wherein we override the method, the save method, like and adjust to the test case what we have. So this is how we have implemented the polymorphism in our framework. And when it comes to abstraction, so when we provide the details of an object, and uh, we hide the implementation of the object from the user. This is called as abstraction. And in our framework, so we have a method called as dispose. So here, the dispose method actually deletes all the like test data, such as creating a folder, creating a document for the particular test case. Like if we call it at the end of the automation script, so this deletes the test data created. So this dispose class is present inside the base class, base page class.
Okay. Mhm.
So this is an abstract method. And so again, for different modules, so the implementation is given accordingly as per the test case in the other page classes. So this is how the oops concept is implemented in the framework.
Okay, okay, got it. So can you tell me the difference between final, finally, and finalize in Java?
I'm okay. uh, yeah, I'm not able to recall it at the moment, but
Okay, okay, okay. Can you write the code for Java code for Fibonacci series?
Fibonacci series,
Yeah.
yes,
Can you
I can.
open the online editor, online
uh,
Java editor?
I'll give the iterations as 100.
Okay.
Yeah, I have completed the program.
Can you execute that this one?
Okay.
Yeah, run button. Yeah.
Okay, I have finished the semicolon here. Okay, let me. Yeah, wait. It's printing it in next line.
Can you give? Can you whatever the 100 is there? Can you give there 10 only?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
this is the Fibonacci series.
Yeah, yeah, correct. So
Yeah.
can you copy this and paste inside the notepad?
Okay.
Yeah. Can you write the code for palindrome of the string?
Sorry, which one?
Palindrome of a string.
Okay.
A string is palindrome or not? Can you check by using of Java program?
Yeah, I can check.
Online editor open and write.
Yeah. String means only one word, right? Or a
Yes, yes.
sentence?
You
Yeah.
can write. You can write Sagar.
Okay.
Hmm. So what is this string? Is it okay? Okay. Go ahead. Go
Okay,
ahead.
I'll
Go.
continue.
Uh-huh. Given string is a palindrome or not?
Okay.
Can you tell me Sagar is a palindrome string or not?
No, this is not a palindrome string.
Oh, okay, okay. So can you write the code? Now, okay. Now you got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, I'm done. I'll execute it.
Hi, can you execute it?
Um, I've added one more extra places. Okay, let me see the error. I think maybe the string class needs to be imported.
No, no. Can you give the seven line number string? S is a capital. All three.
Oh, okay.
79. Now execute it. Now you can debug the next level, next code.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Actually, yeah, this has to work. Yeah, it will take the index of each character in the string and it will like display here. It is asking for array.
So yeah, you can take time and you can write the code.
Okay, let me see.
So go to line number 11. Okay.
Uh huh.
Give L is a small.
Sorry, which one?
L, yeah, a small.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm. A function. It is a function. So give the length after length bracket. Hmm. Now can you execute the code?
Okay. Okay. I'm trying to get the index of each string and yeah, type the letter here. So yeah, there's a string and
Okay. After interview, you can check why this one is not working. So can you copy this one and paste inside the notepad?
yeah, sure.
Can you
Okay.
open online editor?
Yeah.
So can you explain me this code?
Yeah, sure. So here we have taken a string and stored it in a variable, and we have stored an empty string in one more variable. We have named it as rev_str, that is reverse string, and there is also one more string variable where we have saved the original string here. So this will be used to compare with the reverse string at the end. So later on, I have taken a for loop and I have assigned the like the last index of the string to I. The iteration will start from the last index, and uh, till I is greater than 0. So this iteration will go on. This is the condition what I have given, and in each iteration the I value will be decremented by 1. And uh, yeah, the reverse string variable. So to the reverse string variable, so we are adding like whatever is present in the reverse string variable, uh, plus I'm adding I'm concatenating whatever the uh, string or the character is present at the particular index of the string.
Where
Say
you
for
took,
example,
stop here. Where you took s of I array, so you used in 13 line number, right? So where
yeah,
you took declaration of the array?
no, actually,
How can
string.
you use array directly without declaring?
No, because string in like we can like get the index of the string, like we can get the character from the string by passing the index.
Okay, okay. Can you delete s dot char at I
S dot
dot
character.
char at I c as a lowercase
Okay,
at at. Hmm. This one is a function, not array.
okay, okay.
Bracket. I'm asking
Thanks.
about bracket. Yeah. Now execute it.
Okay, yeah, it
Okay.
has executed
Uh,
successfully.
can you give
Thanks.
ABA?
Okay.
Can you think why this one is not working?
Okay, let me check.
Can you go 15 line number? Okay. Delete it, double equal to. Uh, uh, double equal to delete.
Okay,
Hmm. One more space delete. Dot
okay, dot equals.
equals not e lowercase.
Okay.
Now execute it.
Again, it's showing not parent row.
Can, yeah, can you check again?
Yeah, let me check.
Hmm. Okay, can you check after interview? We can go with the next question. Can you write the code for?
Let me copy this.
Mhm.
Okay.
Sum of the digit? Can you write the code for sum of digit?
Yeah, I can write it.
Take the digit 897
Okay, one second. 897
05
zero
2
five.
2. Can you sum of the digit?
Sum of the digits. Yeah. Yeah, I'm done with the code. I'll
Yeah,
skip.
can you execute it? Yeah.
Oh, sorry again. Yeah, 31 is the total sum. 897 24 29 31. Yeah.
Okay, 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 okay. Thank you. So, can you tell me about the what is the exception and error in Java?
Uh, in Java, uh, like there are many runtime exceptions. So to handle the exception, so we use the exception keyword and throw the exception. so which cannot be usually like executed during the code.
What type of exception you faced in Java program?
So if I take an example, when we write a program to divide a number with another number, so if the dividend is a number greater than 0, and if the divisor is 0, so any a number divided by 0 is infinity, so that cannot be executed. So those kind of exception can be catched and it can be thrown to the user, so that yeah, the rest of the code will continue.
Okay, first example. Second example. Any other exception you faced?
uh, I'm not able to recall at the moment.
Okay, no issue.
This is one
So,
of
okay, what exception you faced in Selenium while doing the automation in your framework?
uh, one of the exception is uh, that I have faced is a no such element exception. So when any locator like what we have provided in the code is not identified by the code in the application, or the locator does not match with the locator that is present inside the HTML code of the application, then I have faced no such element exception.
Okay, what is a stale element reference exception in Selenium? Okay,
I am not able to recall this also.
okay. So, what collection used in your framework?
Oh, collection. Okay.
Hmm.
So we have used array and list.
Okay. In which situation you used in your framework?
Uh, so like I haven't got a chance to like work on, yeah, work using the array or list. So like I have seen a code like that was developed by one of my peers. So we have used it in our code, but I haven't used it personally.
Okay, what is the difference between array and array list?
Uh, so in array, there are three dimensional array. So one dimensional, two dimensional, and three dimensional array. But in list, there is only one type of dimension. And uh,
Okay. What is hashmap? Did you used in API automation hashmap collection?
uh, collection
Hashmap.
hash map.
Yes.
No, I haven't used hash map.
Okay. Okay. No issue. Actually, tell me what is the test automation and why is it important for software development?
Okay. So test automation is uh, converting the manual test case into a program wherein the program executes all the necessary steps in the test case, and checks the expected result with the actual result. So this is called as test automation. And so why it is required, because the when software or application is being developed, and also the manual test cases are being developed, so over a period of time the number of test cases increase. And if we only use manual testing to test it, so it will be lot of manual effort, and it will take a lot of execution time. So to reduce the execution time and manual effort, we go for automation.
Okay. What is the main? Can you tell me what is the main difference between manual testing and automation testing?
Okay, so manual testing is done by a human being, and automation testing is uh, done by the program or the code. I mean the execution. The execution part is done by the code, and in manual testing, the execution part is done by a human being. And for manual testing, we don't require any technical or programming language knowledge. But for automation, uh, to develop the automation script, a resource will require the knowledge of programming.
Okay. Can you tell me about the level of testing?
Level of testing. I did not get your question.
How
So
many?
if you elaborate it.
Explain the different type of automation testing. Can you tell me about the unit testing,
Automation.
integration testing, regression testing?
Oh,
What
okay, okay,
what
fine.
is what is the unit testing, integration testing, and regression testing?
Okay. Yeah, unit testing is the testing of the code after the development. So this is mainly done by the developers. They execute the code and see whether the output is expected. And when integration testing means testing the data flow between the modules in an application is called as integration testing. For example, if there is a module A in the application and it will send the data to module B in the application. So we check whether the information from module A is being sent properly to module B. So this is called as
Correct.
integration testing.
Yes, correct.
And when it comes to regression testing, executing the same test cases again and again to make sure that the changes that have been implemented in the software does not bring in any defect in the unchanged features of the software. So this is called as regression testing. For example, uh, consider that there are 10 modules in one application, and in the module 5, that is fifth module, so there is one change of code or some fix has been done by the developer. So this fix might affect all the other modules, that is from 1 to 10. To make sure that the fix on the module 5 does not affect the other modules, that is from 1 to 10, so we execute all the test cases of the other modules again. So this is how the regression testing is carried out.
Okay. Currently, what Selenium version and Java version you are using in your framework?
uh, the code, the version number keeps on updating, so I'm not able to recall at the moment. I don't remember.
Okay, okay. Okay. Can you tell me the main feature of the Selenium?
Feature. So Selenium is used to like find the elements on the application, so that we can use it, yeah, to perform actions later on using it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, what are the advantage and limitation of the using Selenium for web automation?
Okay, one of the main disadvantages, we cannot uh, like test or get to know like what is inside an image. So we can only find the locator of an image, but we can't test what is present inside the image. And also we cannot test the captcha codes that will be present inside the application. So these are the disadvantages of selenium, using selenium.
Okay. What is the page object model? and why it is important in Selenium automation?
Okay, so yeah, page object model is it's a design pattern wherein we create the different methods for various actions to be performed as part of the automation test case. So we separately create the page class because uh, like there will be many steps for some actions to be performed. So if those steps are reused in many automation test cases, then we can just call the single method inside the automation test cases instead of repeatedly writing the same steps in all the codes. So this reduces the number of steps in the code or the number of lines in code,
Hmm.
and also the execution, and it will be more readable and we can maintain the code easily.
How do you handle the synchronization issue in your script?
Synchronization, I'm not worked on that. So
No. Actually, you used weight, na? Implicit weight, explicit weight, fluent weight.
weights I've used
So
it.
can you
Yeah.
tell me about the weights? Yeah, you confused with word like synchronization, but yeah, you can tell me about the implicit, explicit, fluent weight.
Yeah, sure. So there are three types of weights totally: implicit weight, explicit weight, and fluent weight. Implicit weight is actually a single line of code wherein we provide a waiting time period for the whole code to wait to find any element in the application.
Can you
So,
write the
right.
write the code of in Notepad? Write the code for implicit weight and explain also.
Yeah, I can write it.
Can you see? Can you see this code again? This is correct.
Yeah, actually, yeah, to provide the time. So I need to use one class and one method. So I'm not able to recall exactly,
Okay,
but
okay. No. Drive after driver dot not switch to manage.
oh, thanks for that.
Here implicitly, not implicit. Implicity. TLY.
Yeah,
Okay. Go with the other
yeah,
bit. Explicit bit.
okay.
What is the can you explain explicit bit first?
Yeah, so in explicit wait, here also we provide the waiting time period for the code to check for an visibility of an element, and we also provide one condition, so that that condition must also be uh, like matching when the time period, like when the wait time period is given.
What is the fluent weight?
Yeah, fluent weight is yeah here. This is also very much similar to explicit weight, but here along with the total wait time period, we provide a polling time. So wherein, like for example, if we provide 30 seconds as the total wait time, and if we provide polling time as 5 seconds, so at every fifth second, the code checks whether the element is available or not. And here as well, it uh, like tries to see whether the condition whatever is provided passes.
Okay. Can you
It
write
is
the code for take the screenshot?
uh, I'm not able to recall at the moment.
Okay, okay, no issue. So you worked with API testing also, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So what status code you faced and why? Can you tell me?
yeah. Mostly I've faced the three series of codes, status code. Those are 200 series, which refers to successful status code, and 400 series refers to client error status code, and 500 series refers to the server error status codes. So when any API request is successfully sent and the response is received successfully, then the 200 series status code will be displayed. So some of the examples are 200 OK, 201 created, 202 accepted, 204 no content, 207 multi status. And if there is any error that is done from the client side, so then we receive the 400 series status code. So for example, 400 bad request, 401 unauthorized, 403 format, 404 not found, 409 conflict. So these are some of the uh, client error status codes.
Okay.
And whenever there is any error on the server side, so then we receive 500 series status code. Uh, some of them are 500 internal server error, 502 bad gateway, and 503 not implemented, 504 gateway timeout.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
yeah.
So you also work with the Git version, right? Git. GitHub.
To maintain the code, right?
For maintaining the code, you used GitHub, right?
Actually, we used Bitbucket.
Okay, Bitbucket. Okay, no issue. So can you write the 10 command for GitHub? So you are interacting with it every day.
Yeah, like to push and pull the code. So
Yes, yes.
that's right. Yeah, yeah. Let me write
Most,
some of the
just
command.
most used Git command.
Okay.
Okay, what is the difference between git fetch and git pull?
Uh, Git push and Git pull, is it?
No, no, git fetch and git pull. Can you tell me the difference?
Yeah, Git fetch is used to fetch the branch what we are looking for, and Git pull is used to fetch the code on a particular branch.
Okay. Git base. Can you tell me about the git base?
Git, sorry,
Git rebase.
can you repeat again?
Git rebase.
Rebase.
Yes.
Sorry, I don't think I have used it.
Okay, okay. No issue. So can you face the conflict with colleague? Conflict issue with colleague.
Flicked. Okay. So I've not extensively worked on it,
Okay, okay.
but I've seen the conflicts. I've not worked on like uh, correcting the conflicts.
Okay. How like a performance and maintenance? Why how you are doing the performance and maintaining the code?
Performance meaning, are you asking about performance testing?
Uh, no, no. Performance means like how many at the same time you are suppose your script is executing with the multiple sets of data. Okay, like
Uh-huh.
10 data, 20 data simultaneously. So how you are going like parallel testing, sequential testing? How you are managing this code?
Okay, so yeah, parallel execution is done
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, correct.
when there
So
are no.
how like you are doing parallel testing using framework?
Okay, so it's actually our framework is integrated with Jenkins. So there we have 10 machines allocated for our project, and there are so for the all the 10 machines. So the total number of test cases are divided, and the parallel execution is done.
Okay. Can you tell me the other for open the URL you used driver.get, right?
Yeah,
Can you tell me other you can use and open the browser?
yeah, it's driver.navigate to.
Any other?
Uh, I'm able to recall only this one.
Oh, okay, okay. So yeah, like by using of Java executor, we can open the URL. Okay,
Okay.
okay, Sagar, I'm done with you. So do you have any question?
I don't have any questions at the moment.
Okay, so can you copy the code and paste in chat box?
Yeah, sure.